Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. A short video today because I seem to have uncovered an absolute bargain when it comes to the original DJI Mavic Mini. Okay, so as you can see on screen, Amazon at the moment have got this drone at only £360. That is kind of absolutely ridiculous, okay? In fact, as you can also see on screen, that is for the Fly More combo as well. And if we actually check the price for the DJI Mavic Mini on its own without the Fly More combo, it is actually £10 more. So I don't know if this is a mistake by Amazon or what the hell is going on, but that is an absolute bargain price, okay? And also, if you do want the DJI Mini 2, it looks like the original one, so the Mini 2 without the Fly More combo, is currently on offer as well, and that is £394 currently. So some really good savings on DJI products, guys, especially the ones that are the least restricted drones pretty much anywhere in the world, especially for the technology you get. So I just wanted to make you aware of that if you wasn't already. You know, if you want to see how good the DJI Mavic Mini is, I have pitted it numerous times, and I will link it in the description below, the playlist where I pit the Mavic Mini against the Mini 2 in a variety of tests, so you can make your own mind up. But seriously, you know, that's pretty much a £200 saving for the DJI Mavic Mini, the original, over the Mini 2 Fly More combo. So yeah, you know, there's a lot of circumstances where the Mini 2 is obviously better, but honestly, this thing at £200 cheaper at the moment on Amazon, that is an absolute just amazing buy, I can assure you. Okay, don't forget you're probably going to need a memory card, so I will link in the description below one that I recommend, which you can buy on Amazon. I will also link directly to the Amazon page as well, so you can go buy this drone and the DJI Mini 2. Like I say, it's just the standalone Mini 2 that's on offer, not the Fly More combo, but this is a really keen price at the moment, and then once again I just wanted to make you aware of it, so do go check that out. And like I say, you know, if you want to go check out all my head-to-head videos against this in the Mini 2, you're going to see just how good this actually does do. So yeah, I just wanted to give you that little piece of information. You know, I uncovered it while I was doing a little bit of research for another video, and yeah, that's an absolutely amazing price, and this is still a little favourite of mine. I won't deny it, and many of you that are regular to the channel actually do know that. So yeah, hopefully you found it a little bit useful, and like I say, if you haven't decided on buying a drone yet or you're still looking, that's a really keen price for you know, the older model, but still a very competent performer. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon.